Which phone cases are best for wireless charging? Imagine never having to remove your phone case just to juice up your device. Sounds convenient, right? Well, the right case can make that happen. Wireless charging is a handy feature that lets you power up your phone without plugging in. But not all cases work well with this technology. So, what makes a phone case compatible with wireless charging? It all comes down to materials and thickness. Wireless charging uses a technology called Qi, which relies on electromagnetic induction. For a case to support this, it needs to be thin enough and made from materials that let the electromagnetic field pass through easily. Plastic, silicone, and certain types of leather are usually good choices. They don't block or weaken the signal. On the other hand, cases with metal parts or very thick layers can interfere with the charging process. Metal can block the electromagnetic field, causing slower charging or no charge at all. Thick cases can also prevent the phone from aligning properly on the charging pad, which is essential for efficient power transfer. Many modern phone cases are designed with wireless charging in mind. They often have labels indicating compatibility. For example, cases made for Apple's MagSafe technology include built-in magnets that help align the phone perfectly on the charger. This not only makes charging faster but also more reliable. Cases that are slim and clear are popular choices because they keep the phone protected without adding bulk. Some rugged cases designed for heavy-duty protection also support wireless charging if they are carefully engineered with the right materials and cutouts. When choosing a case for wireless charging, check the material first. Avoid metal or super thick cases. Look for cases explicitly marked as wireless charging compatible or MagSafe compatible if you have an Apple device. Also, consider the design features. Some cases include grips or kickstands, but make sure these don't contain metal parts that could block the signal. Your phone model matters too. Newer phones like the iPhone 8 and later, and many recent Samsung models, support wireless charging. Some even support faster charging with MagSafe. So, if you want to keep your phone protected and still enjoy the convenience of wireless charging, pick a case that balances protection, style, and compatibility. This way, you can charge your phone effortlessly at home, work, or on the go without removing the case every time.